It's been dubbed a David and Goliath battle. SANRAL, Treasury and Transport versus civil society. Cosatu's intervention, the deciding factor. E-tolling has ground to a halt. The judge said the public outcry outweighed arguments around SANRAL's financial losses.
This could result in the business rating of SANRAL being downgraded and also impact on its ability to execute other necessary projects. The government, which guaranteed compliance on behalf of SANRAL, may then be called upon, as a result of an acceleration clause in the contract, to pay the full debt of some 20 billion rand at once.
Transport's response was muted.
We respect the decision. We'll study the ruling thoroughly before deciding on the next course of action.
But OUTA was overjoyed.
To the whole nation for supporting us, for being behind us, thank you very much.
It says SANRAL handled the situation poorly and the Transport Department disregarded public opinion.
A much longer and fierce battle now lies ahead, as the volumes of documentation will be argued in court to finally prove our case that e-tolling is an unjustified, irrational and punitive tax on the citizens of South Africa.
A double success for Cosatu, who with the ANC persuaded government to suspend the project by a month.
We feel absolutely vindicated. We've always pointed out that the whole project was illogical. There was no thought behind it. It was being imposed only through the power of the state.
The Labour Federation has called off a nationwide protest as well as lunchtime pickets.
This crucial ruling means that a review process will now take place. It will determine whether the system will be scrapped or whether the process will be implemented at a later stage. And it could take months before South Africans get clarity.
OUTA says the next step will be to secure a full record of how the 20 billion rand decision came about. NOZINTOMBI, MIYA, SABC News, Pretoria.